In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on your BMW 550i. This is going to be located on the intake in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to remove the cap for the mass airflow sensor. To do that, there's going to be 4 tabs, 2 on each side. We're going to pick up on these tabs and unhook them and open the cover. The cover then slides off the back. Press on the unlock for the connector, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a T25 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the mass airflow sensor. Pull straight out and remove the mass airflow sensor. Install the mass airflow sensor, push it straight down into place, make sure it's fully seated, and get the bolt started. Snug the screws down, get the screws nice and tight. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the cover. It'll slide up into place. Be sure that you have the hole for the wires going the right way. Close the cover, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.